Get ready to revolutionize the way you enjoy your drinks with our latest product innovation. The electric self-stirring lid. This whimsical lid is perfect for those who enjoy tea, hot chocolate, or any other beverage that needs stirring. It's a must-have for people on the go who want to enjoy their favorite drinks without the hassle of a spoon. The self-stirring lid has a fixed stir bar at the center that won't fall out while stirring. Press the button and it will start stirring automatically, making it effortless to use. Our universal electric self-stirring lid is available in 2 stylish colors, in beige and mint green. Its leak-proof sealing ring ensures mess-free stirring every time. Our electric self-stirring lid is powered by 2 replaceable 3A batteries, ensuring continuous use whenever you need it. Our electric self-stirring lid fits 7,378 millimeters inner diameter mug. Next, let me tell you how to sublimate it. It's very easy.